Hey beautifuls, it's Tiffany here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and please consider subscribing. We're currently on the road to 200 and we would love to have you to be a part of the beautiful community. Alright, so today I'm talking about the Mani Me Stick-On Gel Manicure. As you can see there, my nails were looking rough. It was time to take that off, and I was right after a day of virtual teaching, so I'm still in my classroom. But that's the packaging it comes in, and let's unbox it. Let's see what's inside. So I had heard of a couple of other stick-on gel manicures, but I decided to give Mani Me a try, and I ordered 2 different patterns, as you can see in the envelope. So the package comes with, and you'll see it shortly, it comes with the directions and the 2 patterns that I ordered. So that's the directions there. They give you step-by-step directions, and those are the 2 patterns that I ordered. But for today, I was just going to try this one here. It's like a pink glitter. So the directions are also on the back of the package. And inside you get all of the materials that you need. That is step 1, that's your prep. And then you have your stickers, and they give you an extra row down there at the bottom. They have a row for your right hand, and then they have a row for your left hand, and then the extras are at the bottom. And what you do is, when you're originally placing your order for the stickers, you take a picture of your fingers. You're supposed to grip a card and then take a photo of your fingernails from that. They say that they take a 3D image of your fingernails to make it, there's nothing left in there, girl. But yeah, they take a 3D image of your fingernails. Yep, it's time for that to go. And from that, they create your stickers. So I went ahead here and I started to remove my old nail polish with my favorite nail polish remover by Zoya. And that's step 1, where you prep your nails. So I took off my old polish, and then I used that there. And you can tell when you're getting old because you can't see without taking your glasses off. But I went ahead and opened that, and once my nails were free of my old nail polish, I went ahead and did the prep, and that's the prep package right there, which is pretty much just alcohol, I believe it says. I don't know why I had to take so long to look at it. It's just the package, just open it. So each manicure set comes with that. So I'll go ahead and clean each fingernail with the prep package. I thought it opened up, but it didn't. It's just that one little square. And you just rub it on each of your fingers. Step 2. You peel the gel and press it down on your nail. So again, the stickers they go according to each one of your fingers. Again, they make it according to the 3D photo that you sent when you originally placed the order. So I'll start out with the right side, so you can match them up. So that big one on the end is my thumb, and it goes on to the rest of the fingers. So it comes in a little plastic package, and you just slide. You just slide it out of the plastic package, right and left, and then your extras are there at the bottom, which is nice. That's good in case you make a mistake. And this is my very first time trying to apply these, so I think I could have done a better job with it. They tell you in the directions not to get it too close to your cuticle, but I think I went about 10 miles away, so I could have done a better job. But maybe next time on my next package I'll do better. So yes, you just press it down on your nail, and then you have the remainder at the top left, and that is step 3. So you can use the file that they provide for you, or you can just clip it. I had my own clippers that didn't come with the packaging. Those are my own clippers. I felt that it was easier to clip the extra off instead of filing it. Although at the end, once the majority of it was off, I did use the file here and just file the rest of it off. Again, in my opinion, I do believe that the clip, look at my expression, I do believe that the clip was a little bit easier to use than the file. Okay, and there's the finished product right there. Guess I'm not that impressed. So I had to file some more. And there you go. So that's a look at that hand. And now for the next hand. Alright, so you start taking them off of the L column, or the L row, for your left hand. And again, you matched it up. So again, I start with my thumb. And it was really hard for me to line them up good. I think I did my thumb better than the other side. I mean, than my other nails. Alright, so let's speed that up a little bit. I had kind of gotten the hang of it then. It was, like I said, it's much easier to clip it. And there you go. But you can see how I didn't get too close to my cuticle. I'm not giving you guys the finger, I'm just showing you guys that. But I wish I had gotten closer. But like I said, next time. And then you see there's extra spaces. Maybe I didn't take the picture correctly when I originally sent it in. I don't know. But I have a second one. This was my first time, so next time hopefully it will be better. But all in all, I enjoyed wearing them, and taking them off was pretty easy. But my question was, how long will it last? So I kept them on for about 9 days, and as you can see, that's what they looked at on day 9. Some of the edges started coming off at the top, but I don't know if that was just because of my bad way of installing them or putting them on, or whether they just started wearing off on their own. I really do think I could have done a better job with it. But all in all, I really did enjoy them. I had them on for 9 days. By that time, with my regular nail polish, my fingers would have been looking a mess like they were in the beginning. So that's all for now. Thank you all for watching, and again, please consider subscribing and hitting the like button if you found this video helpful at all. Thanks again for watching, and continue to live beautifully.